Hello viewers, welcome to our Bandhan YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. Now I am telling about difference between series and parallel circuit. So let's start. Component of an electrical circuit or electronic circuit can be connected in many different ways. The two simplest of these are called series and parallel and occur frequently. Components connected in series are connected along a single path, so the same current flow through all of components. Components connected in parallel are connected along multiple paths, so the same voltage is applied to each component. In this video, we will learn difference between series and parallel circuit. Series circuit. Series circuit are sometimes called current coupled or daisy chain coupled. The current in a series circuit goes through every component in the circuit. Therefore, all of the components in a series connection carry the same current. There is only one path in a series circuit in which the current can flow. Parallel circuit. If two or more components are connected in parallel, they have the same potential difference across their ends. The potential difference across the component are the same in magnitude and they also have tangential polarities. The same voltage is applicable to all circuit components connected in parallel. The total current is the sum of the current through the individual components in according with Kirchhoff currents law. Now let's see difference between series and parallel circuit. Series circuit are basic type of electrical circuit in which all components are connected in chain so that the same current flow through all of them. Parallel circuit are types of circuit in which the same voltage occurs in all components with the current dividing among the components based on their resistance or the impedance. Series circuit intends to have same amount of current flow through all the components placed in sequence, while parallel circuit components are not in sequence but they are parallel to each other. Series will have all the components in the same single path of the current flow, while parallel series split the current flow and the current flowing through each component will eventually combine to form the current flowing in the source. In series circuit, the connection or circuit will not be complete if one component in the series burn out, whereas parallel circuit will still continue to operate at last with other component if one parallel connected component burns out. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Please be stay with me. Thank you for being with me.